Exercise 9D is your product rule exercise. So we've got two parts here being times together. We call one side U and we differentiate it. And we call the other side V and we differentiate it. Now, of course, this V1 here takes a bit of thought because it's got a chain rule inside it. I'm not going to go through all the chain rule ones again because we just did an exercise of that. But we get the bracket, the power goes down by 1. I'm going to times by the power here and what the middle differentiated to give. So I was doing that in my head. And the product rule is the Crissy-Crossy rule. So it's these two things times together times by these two things times together. So dy by dx is 1 plus 3x all to the power of 5 plus 15x times 1 plus 3x all to the power of 4. Now we should tidy this up a bit because we can see a factor here. There's 1 plus 3x to the power of 4 in here and contained within here. And so we get 1 plus 3x all to the power of 4, and what else? Well, from this bit here, there's another, the extra 1 plus 3x. And from this bit here, there's 15x's. And so our answer is 1 plus 3x all to the power of 4 times by 1 plus 18x. There's the answer to the first part. I'll do part B as well. So y equals 2x times by 1 plus 3x squared all cubed. So u equals 2x. Differentiate it, we get 2. V equals 1 plus 3x squared cubed. And so I'm going to differentiate this thing here again using the chain rule. So for the chain rule, the bracket stays the same. The power's going to go down by 1. I'm timesing by that power and what this differentiates to give. So that gives me 6x. 6x times 3 is 18x coming outside. Crissy-crossy it. So v du dx, 2 lots of 1 plus 3x squared cubed plus these two bits times together. So 2 times 18 is 36 x squared 1 plus 3x squared squared. And should we just take out again? We can do a factor here. So we've got a factor of 1 plus 3x squared squared. I suppose we could take out a factor of 2 as well. Should we take a 2 out to save all of this? What's left here is the other 1 plus 3x squared. What's left here? I've taken out a 2, haven't I? So taking out a 2 of that leaves me 18, and I've got the x squared there as well. I've got all of that bit there. Last bit, I'll just tidy that bit B to be 1 plus 21x squared for that bit there, and the rest of it's the same. Now, some people think that all of this bit here is worrying them. But look, this was the differentiation, so that's showing that you can do the product rule. All of this is taking factors out and is just a piece of algebra. But that's where people go wrong.